Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important update from Pinterest, enabling in-app notifications for permissions is a must. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on in-app notifications for Pinterest, so you're always in the loop. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile page. Now at the very top of your profile page, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu with several options related to your account settings. Next, find and tap on the option labeled Notification. This section controls all the ways Pinterest can send you updates, alerts, and reminders. Here, you can customize exactly how you want to be notified about activity on your account. Scroll down until you see the section called Permissions. This is where you manage how Pinterest communicates with you about things like security alerts, login attempts, and other important account activities. Inside the Permissions section, look for the option labeled In-App. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. To enable in-app notifications, simply tap the toggle so it turns on. When it's enabled, Pinterest will send important permission-related updates directly to your device while you're using the app. That's it. You've now successfully enabled in-app notifications for permissions on Pinterest. This quick update ensures you get real-time alerts about account security, privacy changes, and other essential notifications, all without leaving the app. If you ever want to change your notification settings, just follow these same steps. Keeping your notifications up to date is a great way to stay informed and keep your Pinterest account secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.